You started Outlast?
I've got it.
How's it installing as quick as the last one?
I'm playing it.
Are you playing it? What?
I'm on it right now.
How the fuck have you just installed it that quick, mate? Are you magic or something?
Is that because you had it installed before and it wouldn't let you play it, but no, it is because you
Alright,
bought it.
right, fuck's sake. See if we already knew this, mate. We already had that shouting match.
Fucking had us panicked there.
You need to do that wee tutorial bit anyway before fucking we can invite you, I think.
Aye.
What did they do wrong? Police brutality, what did they do wrong? He's dead! You fucking killed him, you bastard!
Fucking can't get done like George Floyd. I can't breathe, I can't breathe. Stop!
Yo!
What the fuck? Whoa, you bastard!
How about you on, Will?
What?
How about you on?
I don't know, it told me to sprint.
Put you east sprint. Cutting something coming after you, I suppose.
Some theatre bit.
Alright. You're gonna meet Daddy then. Don't worry, he's not a person, he's a puppet. You're all about to get raped, isn't it?
Don't worry, I'll just spoil a wee bit of the game for you.
At least I'm not going to spoil the fucking bit I told you. And to what's the hang? I thought I did.
Holy shit!
You don't give me a
Sick fuck.
Aye, well, if you're wondering about the lore about this game, you're literally being abducted by the US government to be made into a mindless soldier for the Cold War. To go up
We've been
against the Russia.
elected by the glorious US government to be elite soldiers in their pursuit for freedom and democracy.
Aye, you can say that all. If you want to like stay happy with it.
Pains of chaos and violence.
Making me shite myself.
Huh? You shaking yourself?
Aye. What in the fuck? No.
What?
This guy is getting choked in the grinder.
Yeah, that part. Aye, well, you're going to be seeing a lot of that, by the way.
You killed him before putting him in the grinder? What the fuck? Oh wait, he's still alive, it's fine.
But he got put in the grinder, but he's still alive.
Holy shit. That's more brutal than Mortal Kombat's fatalities.
Children try to grow up before their time.
No, mate, this match is intense.
I'm gonna smoke a bag.
Avoid enemies using hiding spots. Oh, fuck you.
Light spinning.
What the fuck?
No.
You have psychosis, find an antidote. Oh.
Right, you're going to meet this Skinner, man.
Oh shit, I found him. He's following me. He's got me. He's right fucking there.
Oh fuck, I was even looking.
I'm taking my drugs. I've sorted myself out. Why are you attacking me? Oh, once you got in, you bastard!
Enjoying yourself then.
This stupid cunt! This. What am I in Vault 1 something? Where the fuck?
I'm trying to get stabbed up all through it. He's in here.
This is your cell. There aren't many like it.
This is my fucking house.
Good evening. Good evening. You ready to die, boy?
No.
There's one up at the cafeteria and there's an arm wrestling table here.
I'm
Right,
gonna
do it.
Rank up the stairs, man.
Is it a spamming
Press.
thing?
No, you just press RT on the things. Right, so you would go for that white bar if you can. Then, aye. Red's usually the best you can get.
Are we trying the game chat thing, is it?
Aye, may as well.
Hello, hello everybody.
Hey,
Okay, yeah, you fucking know.
Yeah, I know. Unless they're not
Oh,
fucking
is this
yelling
on? Just fucking eating the microphone. Oh, you bastard.
up. Bash it
Keep
in.
an noise in. Oh, there's that gas thing.
Just get the gas bolt off him. Oh well. Better get introduced to somebody. Talking about police brutality. Just take that drink, bro, watch it. I'll have a bolt on this one.
You done it exactly, man.
Did you pick that
Good
bolt
pick.
up I saw?
No, I already did it.
I don't know, I think this is there.
Oh, you fucking kick him
Police
off!
officer! Police officer!
Holy shit!
Startle me a grenade!
She's trying to get the fuck out. She's trying to get out. She's trying to run. Oh!
There's batteries here if people need them. Well, there's a battery here if you need it.
I don't want it. I don't need a battery. Why would I need a battery? Why would I need it?
Recharge your goggles!
Why would I
Recharge
need
your
a
goggles.
fucking battery?
Oh, I found
Oh,
it.
shit.
Where am I?
There's somebody coming back.
Oh, spray her. No, police officer. He's gonna chase me.
Oh, fuck.
Keep him distracted.
Fucking hurry now. No. Fuck off.
Are you?
Hey, it's on, it's on.
Right, let's go, we're leaving, Will. Let's go.
Leave him, think fuck.
We know you betrayed the fucking US government, you're working for the KGB, we know.
What the fuck?
This is why this is happening.
Watch for it.
That's right. You right there, Lance?
Oh,
Aye, I think so.
Christ.
Right, now you bring that key over here and I'll unlock it. Yeah, watch it.
Disgusting.
Print on here.
Yeah, they come to bullet in the high school. And...
Oh, big naked guy, big naked guy, big naked guy!
Holy shit! I'm shiting myself.
I will try look for a dead body with a moon on it.
Somebody help me!
Battery's just gone.
Oh shit!
You alright there, Will?
It's in me! Oh fuck! Oh, I'm not looking forward to this one. Oh shit! He's on your ass, Robbie.
Huh?
Guy with a machete.
I first saw you, I just seen him in the corner. Oh! That's not you! What the fuck? There's doubles! There's doubles!
Oh,
there's
fuck.
doubles! There's doubles! I just saw Will chase after me with a blade.
There's no... Oh, whoa.
But Will just chase after me with a fucking blade.
Didn't he?
Aye, he did, mate. And Will's here and everything.
He was right beside me.
I'm fucking master key.
Oh,
I think we
no.
can get in here.
Probably can.
I didn't mean to do
Yeah, I've just got myself a fucking master lock with me. What?
I've got a lockpick on now.
Right. Where's those last keys?
that. Don't come this way.
Okay,
At least you got
Don't
them
come
then.
this way.
I glazed him, run!
I walked it.
Oh, pull the lever.
Ah, big god!
Fuck's so young. I've got no bolts to run on. Fucking...
Oh, the police!
Oh, the police is stopping me.
Oh, you're coming for me! Oh, you bastard! Don't follow me! Don't follow me! I'm getting fucking annihilated, mate.
I think there's a silver light here.
Lewis, no!
Silver light, you know. Yeah. Ah!
Pull the lever! Pull the lever! Pull the lever!
Where the fuck is WoW?
Ah! Fuck!
Well,
No, you can't do that
let's
to me!
fucking get out of
You
here,
can't do it to me!
man. We all die.
You can't do this to me!
He's killing me! He's killing me!
No! No, 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 no! Lewis, no!
I like
What
to
the
try and
fuck?
get you, man, but... God, don't go near him, fuck. Fuck, he's getting both of these.
We died together! We died together!
Don't die on me, like.
Come on, no time to waste, brother, come on!
Right, fuck, right, this way, this way.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Shove your fucking asylum up your ass!
Run! Run for your life! Let's get going.
Come on!
We fucking...
Democracy! Freedom!
How the fuck are we still alive, man?
Oh my god. Fuck, dude, kick the door.
You just run up to him.
You
press
run,
X.
press X.
Right, so what the fuck is
Watch your
going
door.
Oh my god, no. Oh, I'm gonna burn in this room. Sorry, pal. I just seen fucking, like, Holy Mary, and I was like, oh,
There's a
fuck.
Virgin Mary, and then the other table, there's the Bible.
Yeah. I pushed into that, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna die.
Quickest chess match of all time. This guy was sitting at the chess table for ages, and I sat down. He moved a pawn, I moved a pawn, then he shook my horn and walked away. Look at him over there now. Why are you standing there like that? Your arms behind your back like you're plotting something.
Just curious, but...
He was like a butler in
Look at his room for a minute. His walls look like a sweetie wrapper, he's got coins everywhere, and then a can of ham.
He dresses like a sweetie rapper.
How you doing, Bill?
Alright.
Alright.
Who's that guy sitting by himself?
Yeah, I know, I'm a loser.
How about you chuck that and you sit right here, Will, eh? Call me a fucking loser. Me behind you.
Right behind.
He's touching himself. Really shocking his boys now. What the fuck? Cunt likes a bit of electric therapy.
He's defo's fucking gay.
Is this who we're cancelling?
The guy's obviously a KGB Russian spy.
Right. Right, we all go our separate ways, I guess.
Fuck that.
Right, well, you take your own pathway, down that way.
No.
Find that
Fuck
key,
you,
find
mate.
the butterfly key. And if you see any one of us near you, it's not us, run! Don't just look at me like, hiya Robbie, and get stabbed the fuck out of you. Well, this cunt's running after me this time.
Ah! Right naked guy, we naked people.
I'm just getting chased about by one cunt.
Oh, the big naked cunt. Oh, fuck. Ah!
You right?
Ah!
Get a stun grenade. Well, run, run.
Ah! Ah! He's coming!
Oh, I get chased about by this cunt, man.
I had a big guy in mine, I know. Them or not.
Oh, the guy with the machete
sorry,
is it
mate.
too.
Fucking cunt just walked by.
He's on us! He's on us!
Hey, come on, just run in, fuck it. Go for it.
Fucking stunned the cunt with a grenade, mate. Right, go, he's right there, Liz.
Oh my god, Robbie! What the fuck? Why are you
Sorry,
stabbing
were
me?
you in that room? Oh, that's not me. We're going the wrong way. This
I
shit
know,
me
I'm
dead.
just getting out of the way. It's not a dead end, at least in my area.
Oh, that's not me, that's not me.
I seen Robbie's name and then it had like one character in this fucking name that was like a Q and I missed it and I was like, what the fuck?
Sick. Yeah. Oh, fuck you. Get to the show. Get the shows, get the shows.
Whoa, you ain't the one I was gonna go in.
We can't go in the same one! Run! And he's just slapping their arse. Just like, yeah, fucking. Oh, shit!
You know every time you walk
Run,
out a
run,
trap like
run,
that, you bring
run.
the guy out.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Ah! You will not stop me!
Okay, that's good though.
You locked me in, you bastard! Ah, I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker!
You broke to me, you brought us on yourself.
I think I'm always sad. Don't you fucking do everything about you.
Oh, fuck off! Why me? He's right fucking there! He's got right fucking there! He's right there!
How did you do that, love?
Done bait for them.
Oh, you can
Whoa! I didn't run, bro! Don't touch me, bitch!
That was a wee quick one.
They seem to be getting quicker and quicker, which I'm not liking.
Aye. I mean, we get to move it in the next band now. Yes. I'm wrestling. You with your swanky trousers on?
Right. Go for it.
Fuck. Fuck.
Go for it.
Fuck. 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 Just can't bang on the fucking table, he's no helping. I was winning that there, I know.
How are you banging on the table?
I don't know how they do that. But how the fuck are you doing that?
It just says watch if you go to the side.
That's fucking error. That's really annoyed, mate.
This start a prison riot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Is this guy gonna join us?
Join us.
Join us.
Join us.
Join us. Join us.
Oh, hey, hun, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, hey, ho, hey, ho, hun, hey, 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 oh, hey, 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 oh, hey. Just starts raining. That's just what the trials does to people.
They get banging tables.
The guy's got a headache in the back there. Is that enough for the fucking... He's just...